Your Worship, keep represented.
Johanna Semdi from, together with Selum Umar Farouk, Akut Musime, Katop Musime, Senior Joel, and Nantaza Juliet Yona for the accused person.
Your Worship, the case is standing up to be voted.
The charge in one count, the offense is incitement to commit an offense, contrary to section 21, subsection 1 of the Penal Act of 1998. The particulars of the offense are that on the fourth day of September 2025, or thereabouts, at the National Unity Platform offices in Makerere, Kamunde, 1 a.m., County Division, in Kampala District, incited persons to commit an offense against Ugandan security personnel to wit. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, your worship, I have a prayer to make. Selum Umar Farouk. Your worship, my prayer is to have the same charge which has just been read. The charge should be expanded from court record. And the accused person before you be set free as far as that charge is concerned. For the following reasons. One, it is a disguised transfer over charge sheet. Over charge. It is a disguised transfer over charge sheet. Two, I'm going to expound the diversion. Two, the prosecution is in abuse. It is in abuse of legal process. I'll start by expounding on ground one, which is the disguised transfer, which disguised transfer is illegal law. The worship, the accused before you was charged with the same offense in the Chief Magistrate Court of Nakawa, at Nakawa, in the month of August 2025. And I was among his lawyers. Your Worship, I think you on the month was September 2025. Your Worship, the accused applied for bail, which were over 3 attempts, including mandatory bail, which were all denied, notwithstanding that the trial magistrate, Namanya Frank, was approving with us in as far as the sureties stand. Your Worship, the charge sheet underwent 2 amendments and the recent one was of 21st October 2025. A copy of the charge sheet is there, Your Worship. Most of right. But I also call court to take judicial notes that there was a case against him, but I will uphold on it. Most of right. Yes, Your Worship, we appeared in that court more than 12 times. Not until raising several points of law, not until on the 12th day of February this very month, 2026, that I personally raised a penal point of law in as far as jurisdiction of that court Nakawa is concerned. That's geographical. By inviting that court to look at section 35 of the Magistrates Court Act, and also by emphasizing that court jurisdiction is not an act. And no court can transfer or assign jurisdiction. It is a creature of statute. Not until your and brother reached the point where his hands were tied by tribalism, may worship, and he dismissed. He dismissed because he had wanted to transfer the file, and I told him you cannot transfer because you have no jurisdiction. So his only way he had was to dismiss the charge. It is the same charge that you read. Your Worship, if you allow me, I will appoint by the hard copy of the ruling, and the proceedings for that day is there. Your Worship, the point here, what I'm saying is a disguised transfer or assignment of this charge sheet from Nakawa to this court. Disguised transfer stroke assignment of the charge sheet from Nakawa to this court. Which I something that it is illegal. Your Worship, in the case of Musoke Chibuka, Justice Musoke Chibuka, in the case of Kasibante Moses versus Kakongole Singh, Marwaka and another, it was Kampala Electoral Petition number 23 of 2011. And this is the term of distribution is not a term of act. It is a term of law. It is a term of very expensive legal import. It embraces every kind of judicial action. It confers upon the court the power to decide any matter in controversy. It presupposes the existence of a duty and it constitutes court with full control over the subject matter under adjudication. It also presupposes full control by court of the parties to the subject matter under investigation by it. Jurisdiction defines the power of a court to inquire into facts. To inquire into facts, to apply the relevant law, to make decisions, and to declare the final outcome of the subject matter under its inquiry. Most of that. You can do and stop rushing. Most of that. I will share. Yes. Your worship, he went further and said that it is tried laws. That no court can confer jurisdiction upon itself. It is equally tried that no court can assign or delegate jurisdiction vested in it. Your worship, that makes the basis of my point here. That for the past 7 months, he appeared in Chief Magistrate Court of Natal. No witness was brought. All his bail applications, including the mandatory one, were denied. And it took us, the defense lawyers, to raise that point of law, to dismiss the matter. Immediately after dismissing it, they have come up with the same charge sheet. Your worship, this exhibits and rubber stamps that the prosecution has failed on its mandate envisaged under Article 120 clause 3b. You permit me to read it. The functions of the Director of Public Prosecution are the following. B. To institute criminal proceedings against any person or authority in any court with competent jurisdiction. That is the